For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a Valentine design. I'm starting off with my nails painted black, and I'm going to apply a layer of liquid latex around the cuticle area. Using stamping plate Make Your Mark 11 from Lena, I'm going to stamp this Love and Kisses design. And I'm using a white stamping polish from Born Pretty. Now remove the liquid latex and we can begin coloring in our design. I'm going to take a red Sharpie and scribble on the back of an old gift card. Using a small detailed brush dipped in rubbing alcohol, I'm going to pick up some of the Sharpie and start coloring in my nail. If you're using a polish that smudges easily, you'll want to use a top coat before coloring in your design, because the rubbing alcohol will make your polish smudge. Finish your design with the water-based top coat. And here's our completed design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.